Hi, I'm Tulsa Mayor G.T. Bynum, and this is a message for all our healthcare heroes here in the city of Tulsa. I know how hard you are working to save the lives of our neighbors. I know that there has never been a greater strain during this pandemic than what you're going through right now. I also hope you know how much love and gratitude and support there is in this city for you and your work. And to back me up on this, I want you to listen to a few messages from a couple of my friends here in Tulsa.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Herman. I'm Dean of the OUTU School of Community Medicine here in Tulsa. I'd like to add my thanks to the mayor and all of the other people in Tulsa. Thank you to all of our healthcare workers who have been on the front line in the COVID pandemic. You truly are heroes and heroines for our day.
I'm Michelle Lynn from Fox 23, and I just wanted to say a great big thank you. Words are not enough to adequately express our gratitude. You guys are true heroes. You've been remarkably strong and brave, and you've worked tirelessly to protect all of us. We appreciate you so much. Thank you.
From all of us here at Fox 23 News, we want to say thank you to every single one of the frontline workers working countless hours, helping countless patients through this pandemic.
Every day you put yourselves on the line to help those we love. Thank you so much.
Hi, OU Tulsa President John Schuman here, sending a big shout out to all our OU health workers and all of Tulsa's frontline healthcare workers. Thanks for all you're doing to keep us safe. Boomer Sooner.
When patients' families could not be with them, you were there, fighting for them, holding their hands and praying with them. On behalf of the families and staff at Hospitality House of Tulsa, thank you so much.
Thank you, Tulsa healthcare workers, for waking up every day during this crazy pandemic and saving lives.
On behalf of everyone here at the Oklahoma Aquarium, we would like to say thank you to all of Tulsa's healthcare workers for protecting our community during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Muchas gracias a todos los trabajadores de salud por toda su labor en estos tiempos tan difíciles. De todo corazón, muchas gracias.
On behalf of everybody here at Two Works for You,
thank you for all you've done for our community.
You guys are the true heroes out there, and thank you so much.
Yeah!
Thank you, healthcare workers across the state of Oklahoma. I appreciate your strength, your courage, and the sacrifices you make every single day.
I want to thank you all of our OSU CHS frontline workers for going above and beyond and doing all that you do on a daily basis during this challenging time. Thank you so much, and you are deeply appreciated by your Cowboy family.
Hi, it's Russell at KRMG. I just want to say thank you so much to all the men and women who have done yeoman's work, God's work over the last year. We got your backs. We know you're going to get us through this. Thank you.
Thank you, Tulsa healthcare workers. I was attacked by strep and COVID, but with the help from my doctor, antibiotics, and some luck, I recovered. I owe you, Tulsa healthcare workers. So, for you,
we're masking up.
Hey, it's me, Social Distance Sasquatch. Thank you for all you do, healthcare workers. I know it can be hard for humans to social distance, but for me, it's time to get back to staying apart, which is easy as a snap.
I wanted to say thank you, Tulsa healthcare and mental health care workers, for your endless hours and shifts to keep us safe and healthy.
Thank you, healthcare workers, for keeping us safe. We love you a lot. Bye.
The City of Tulsa Refuse and Recycling Team thanks you for your relentless effort to care of those affected by the COVID-19 virus.
Hello, I'd like to take this opportunity to say thank you to all the Tulsa County healthcare workers, our THD nurses, our THD public health staff. Thank you all for your heart, your caring, your compassion, our last line of defense, and you've all been amazing. Thank you so much.
Ross Group would like to thank the frontline healthcare workers for your dedication of keeping us healthy and safe.
Thank you.
Hi, Tulsa and first responders. I'm Dr. Jerry Griffin, and as a former Tulsa police officer, I reach out to you and wish you the best in this time of trouble.
I want to say thank you to all of our first responders for your diligence, your dedication, and commitment to the city of Tulsa. Be safe and take care of yourself and your families.
Thank you, first responders, for everything you've done to help protect the citizens of Tulsa.
At Philbrook, we use this greenhouse to help protect and care for our plants and flowers.
Thank you to our frontline workers for protecting and taking care of us.
Gracias por trabajar incansablemente por nuestros enfermos.
Gracias por todas esas horas de sueño que han sacrificado por nosotros.
Sin ustedes, no hubiésemos podido salir adelante. Gracias de todo corazón.
Thank you so much, everyone who is serving Tulsa as a healthcare professional. You care for us, you care for our loved ones at our most vulnerable, and we are so grateful.
Thank you, Tulsa healthcare workers, for your endless hours to keep us safe and healthy.
Healthcare workers of Tulsa, you are amazing. You have worked generously and tirelessly. You keep our staff healthy so we can keep people who are hungry fed, with all our appreciation from the food bank. Thank you.
For all the healthcare workers serving tirelessly to keep our communities safe.
We at the Junior League of Tulsa are thankful for you.
Please know that your service is valued.
We are staying home for you.
Thank you for working for us. A todos los trabajadores de la salud en esta ciudad, muchas gracias por cuidarnos de la pandemia. Que Dios les bendiga.
Hello. As Board President of Tulsa Global Alliance, we thank our healthcare workers in the languages of Tulsa's sister cities.
谢谢.
Огромное спасибо.
Arigato.
Muchas gracias.
Vielen herzlichen Dank.
Merci.
תודה רבה.
Thank you, healthcare workers of Tulsa. You guys are the best. You're God's angels here on earth, a real beacon of light to the city, the state, and the nation. Thank you again.
Michael Garcia.
Okay. Thank you so much for what you're doing, darling.
Tulsa healthcare workers are the best I've seen in my entire life. We know it's not easy, but we sure appreciate you. Thanks for keeping us young and healthy. Thanks for keeping us safe.
On behalf of Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Oklahoma, I'd like to thank all the healthcare workers for your dedication. Your work to keep Tulsa citizens and our members healthy is commendable. And remember, we're in this together. Thank you.
I want to give a great big thank you to all of our first responders, frontline workers, health department staff, anybody and everybody that was there serving the needs of our community during this crisis and pandemic that we've all been going through.
Thank you, Tulsa first responders and healthcare heroes, for keeping us safe throughout this pandemic. We're wearing the mask, we're watching our distance, and we're washing our hands and welcoming the vaccine to work with you to keep our community safe.
I just want to take a moment to thank the healthcare workers in Tulsa County for all the work you're doing, the sacrifices that you made. You are appreciated and you are the true heroes of this COVID crisis. Thank you.
Thank you all for everything that you've done to protect us. I know you've taken great risk for yourself and for your families. You put us first, and from the bottom of my heart, I say thank you for everything that you've done for all of us.
I just want to convey my most heartfelt thanks to
to all of our healthcare workers, our first responders, everyone that's taking care of someone out there.
District 5 thanks you for all your service, for the first responders, for the doctors, for the nurses who are taking care of us in this time of need.
Okay, can you say thank you, heroes?
Thank you, heroes.
Thank you.
Thank you. From Big Street Troop 1227, we thank you, Tulsa Frontline Healthcare Workers. You're awesome. Thank you. Thank you for keeping my grandma and pa healthy so I can see them soon. Thank you.
Hey Tulsa healthcare workers, Peaches and I just want to say thank you so much for all of your hard work and your endless sacrifices. You guys are the true heroes. We know it's not much, but Peaches really wanted to give you a high five. High five. Yes. Thank you again.
Thank you, doctors and nurses, for taking care of everyone who was born and the people with coronavirus.
Hello, this is Paula, a nurse at Parkside Hospital. Paula is getting her COVID vaccination on Monday so she can continue to work safely and continue to keep all of us safe and healthy. Thank you, Nurse Paula.
I want to take this time to express my gratitude to Tulsa's first responders and to give my thanks to Ascension St. John Hospital and St. John's Rehabilitation Center and Encompass Home Health.
Thank you, healthcare workers.
The TU community is so grateful for everything you do. Thank you, thank you, thank you for keeping us safe.
TU thanks you.
Thank you for your dedication.
TU thanks you.
Thank you, Tulsa.
TU thanks you.
TU thanks you.
Hi, I'm County Commissioner Karen Keith.
And I'm Chairman of Tulsa County Commission, Stan Salib. And we want to thank our first responders for keeping our county safe.
So grateful, and also for those shots in the arm. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tulsa healthcare workers. Thank you, Tulsa healthcare workers. Yay!
Come on, Mayor, healthcare workers, we are so grateful. AJ and Tim from the Tulsa Dream Center. Man, we just want to say thank you for your hard work, your dedication, long hours. You are a blessing. Tulsa Dream Center.
Gracias.
Gracias. Healthcare workers, we need you changing lives. Tulsa Dream Center.
As second-year students here at TCC's radiography program, we all wanted to thank you guys for being with us, guiding us, and helping us along the way. It's been a journey, and we wouldn't be here without you.
On behalf of Tulsa Community College's first-year nursing students, we would like to say thank you to all of our frontline healthcare workers. Thank you!
Thank you!
We are respiratory care students at TCC. We would like to thank you. Even in the midst of pandemic, respiratory therapists stay strong. Thank you for everything you do for us, teaching us to be better respiratory therapists.
Thank you!
Hi, my name is Kate and I'm the Vice President of TCC's Dental Hygiene Class of 2022, and we would all like to say thank you to those frontline healthcare workers. Thank you!
Thank you to the many healthcare professionals and first responders in Tulsa. And so in the many ways that we can say thank you, gracias.
Thank you for all you do for us.
Merci.
We love you, healthcare workers. You're the real superheroes.
Thank you, healthcare workers.
Thank you, healthcare workers.
Thank you, healthcare workers.
Thank you, healthcare workers.
I'd like to give a big shout out to my dad and all other Tulsa healthcare workers who've kept our community safe during this difficult time. Thank you all for your generous service.
Thank you for keeping everyone healthy.
Hi, I'm Jill Gehring. And I'm Jane Juergens.
And I'm Chartice McHenry. We just want to thank all of our frontline heroes combating in this pandemic, as well as our very own Scissortail Home Health Care frontliners.
I'm Glory. And I'm Teraya. We're from Wanda J's Next Generation. We just want to thank you for your service and what you've done for the community.
Thank you very much, thank you very much, thank you very much, medical people. Thank you very much, thank you very much, thank you very much, medical people. Tulsa loves you. Mwah!